Hello, this is Professor Morrison, and this is our video for the activity regarding the working thesis statement for the cultural narrative essay. So you have completed peer review, or you are in the process of completing peer review, and you want to make sure you have your rough draft that has your working thesis statement on it handy, because you're going to need that. That'll be the first thing that you provide for this activity. You're going to copy your working thesis statement from your document onto a new page, or maybe a piece of paper that you're going to take a picture of, and you're going to start there. So remember, writing is a process. Revision is the biggest part of writing. I'm sure what you have is already good, and we're just going to do a couple steps to make it even better, because there is always room for improvement. So here's the example from I went through step by step, and I shared my cultural narrative. And I also showed you how I would try and piece together my thesis statement after doing my outline, so that I know what's in my 3 body paragraphs already. And I can use those sub-events from my 3 body paragraphs as the plan of development for my thesis statement. So I know I have to explain the aspect of my cultural identity. I have to explain what the conflict is, and I need those 3 sub-events. So I was numbering, which would not be in our final draft of the thesis statement. And I was labeling, which of course would not be there either. And maybe I wasn't writing as concisely as I might when I revise. So here's an example of a working thesis statement for a cultural narrative from the example that I provided in class. So one time that I learned how to resolve an aspect of my cultural identity, and in this case it is ethnicity, but it's not necessary to write it here, with peer pressure, which was the conflict, was when I was 1, confronted about my name. This is the expression of the cultural identifier. 2, experienced bullying for being different. And 3, decided that I liked being a hybrid. So obviously there's a lot of room for improvement here, and I'm just going to work forward from what I have. So we're going to break it up into 2 parts, the main idea and the plan of development. They should all be part of the same single sentence. So in your main idea, which should be the beginning of your sentence, that will be your thesis statement, you're going to indicate the situation surrounding your single incident cultural narrative experience. What is your main idea? This will become the first part of your new thesis statement. And you're going to think of a more specific and concise way to phrase your main idea than you wrote originally. So in my example, I could think of my main idea as, one time that I learned how to resolve an aspect of my cultural identity with peer pressure was, that's just the beginning of the sentence. So we're going to wait to finish the sentence, and we're just going to focus on this one part of it first, and then the second part. So take a couple minutes and find a way to express your main idea in a more specific and concise manner than you did originally. Press pause and work on that main idea. And now that you're back, let's go ahead and move on to your plan of development. This is the second part of the same sentence, and you're going to have to know what happens in your 3 body paragraphs, your rising action, your crisis, and falling action. And you're going to condense those experiences into just a couple words each, and put those at the end of your thesis statement as a roadmap for your reader and for yourself to help you stay on topic. So here are these 3 events from my example essay. Was when I was challenged regarding my name, comma, bullied on the playground, comma, and realized that I liked being different. Notice how I am using parallel form here, and you should do that too. Now take a few minutes and work on your plan of development. Make sure it matches the 3 events in your 3 body paragraphs. And now that you've done that, let's put it all together into one sentence. And here's my example as one sentence now. One time that I learned how to resolve an aspect of my cultural identity with peer pressure was when I was challenged regarding my name, bullied on the playground, and realized that I liked being different. So make sure to put yours together in a single sentence also, and it will be the last sentence of your introduction paragraph. That is always where your thesis statement goes. So what did you learn? Are you more comfortable with your thesis statement now that we have this activity? If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm only an email away. Thank you, and I hope this helped you with your revision process.